The current time is 12:01 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Now the latest weather synopsis for the eastern Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. A weak high-pressure system will bring a quiet evening to the region. The quiet weather will be short-lived, however, as a low-pressure system over southern Canada moves across Lake Superior tonight and pulls a vigorous new cold front across the Dakotas, Minnesota, northwest Wisconsin, and Lake Superior by Thursday morning, and out of southern Minnesota across Iowa and Wisconsin on Thursday. Tonight expect cloudy weather with periods of light snow or flurries across most of the five-state area. Strong north winds sweep a very cold rush of Arctic air, and light snow or flurries and blowing snow will be a problem too across the eastern Dakotas and western Minnesota tonight, finally diminishing their Thursday afternoon and evening. Tonight steady or slightly rising temperatures are expected from the single digits above zero and below zero over most of the five-state area tonight, with temps rising into the teens above zero over South Dakota and falling to the teens below zero for northern North Dakota. On Thursday, strong north winds shove sharply a colder Arctic air mass across the entire region. Southern Minnesota, western Wisconsin, and northern Iowa will be the windiest Thursday afternoon. Then eastern Wisconsin and eastern Iowa Thursday evening, with temperatures in the single digits. At the same time Thursday afternoon and evening, the eastern Dakotas and western Minnesota will have the coldest air in the teens and 20s below zero, with diminishing winds north winds. Blowing snow and dangerous wind chills on Thursday into Friday. A winter weather advisory for blowing snow is in effect for parts of west central and south central Minnesota from 9 a.m. Thursday to 9 a.m. Friday, generally west of MOTLEY, to Litchfield, to St. James Line. A wind chill advisory is in effect for the remainder of central and south central Minnesota, including the Twin Cities metropolitan area, as well as all of west central Wisconsin from late Thursday afternoon and evening until 9 a.m. Friday. A strong Arctic cold front will move quickly southeast across the area Thursday morning, with strong northwest winds and falling temperatures occurring in the wake of the front. Wind speeds of 20 to 30 miles per hour will result in blowing and drifting snow and reduced visibilities across west central and south central Minnesota from late Thursday morning into Thursday night. Wind chill temperatures will become dangerous across all of central and south central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin on Thursday afternoon and evening, when wind chill temperatures of 25 below to 35 below will become common. Wind speeds will decrease Thursday night, reducing the threat for blowing snow west central and south central Minnesota. However, wind chill temperatures across the entire area will continue from 25 below to 35 below zero. Low wind chills will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia if precautions are not taken. If you must venture outdoors, make sure you wear a hat and gloves. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Overnight, partly cloudy. Lows 5 below to zero. West winds 5 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the morning, then scattered flurries in the afternoon. Highs around 5 above. West winds 5 to 15 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of snow 20%. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 15 below. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, decreasing to around 5 miles an hour overnight. Friday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the morning, then a chance of snow in the afternoon. High 0 to 5 above zero. Southeast winds 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 40%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow in the evening, then a slight chance of snow overnight. Lows around 5 below. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 30%. And now for the extended forecast. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 10. Lows around 5 below. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 10. Lows around 5. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow. Highs around 20. Lows around 10. Tuesday through Wednesday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows around 10. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for overnight, partly cloudy. Lows 5 below to zero. West winds 5 miles an hour.
This is the Twin City Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KEC 65, serving a portion of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 12:06 a.m. Central Standard Time.
At midnight in the Twin Cities it was partly cloudy. It was -3 degrees, or -19 degrees Celsius. The dew point was -10. The relative humidity was 72%. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.17 inches and steady. Around the metro, it was clear, with a temperature of -3 at St. Paul, -2 at Blaine, -6 at Eden Prairie, and -8 at Lakeville. At Lake Elmo, it was fair, with a temperature of -4. Around the state, temperatures were between -5 and 0 degrees. At International Falls, snow was falling. It was clear at St. Cloud, Brainerd, and Duluth. At Rochester, it was partly cloudy. Across the Dakotas, temperatures were between 1 and 6 degrees. At Sioux Falls, it was partly cloudy. At Fargo, it was cloudy. In Iowa, it was cloudy, and temperatures were between 5 and 9 degrees. Around Wisconsin, skies ranged from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. It was 3 at Madison, 12 at Milwaukee, and -1 at Eau Claire. Once again at midnight in the Twin Cities, it was -3 degrees, under partly cloudy skies.